Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Patriot Viper 4 Blackout Edition or Blackout Series DDR4 RAM. We'll open it up and show you what it looks like up close, and then I'll show you what it looks like installed on my motherboard. Now this RAM kit is 32 gigabytes or 2 sticks of 16, and that's what they look like there. Again, we'll give you a closer look in just a moment. This is DDR4 RAM at 3200 megahertz. It's designed for AMD Ryzen and Intel CPUs. It's DDR4 technology, dual channel memory, and XMP 2.0 or Extreme Memory Profile 2.0 ready. Flipping this over, actually it says Patriot on the side there, but on the back here I did want to point out a couple things. Gamer certified Viper Gaming, all their handles are here if you do want to connect with them, but it's got a limited lifetime warranty and it is made in Taiwan. So if you're looking for that information, it is here on the back. Let's go ahead and open this up. Nothing else in the box there, but that's what it looks like. We'll pull these out. So that's what the RAM looks like there. Again, each of these has 16 gigabytes. It says Viper across the face, and I really like this jagged look across the top here. It kind of looks like a chainsaw. Again, this is the black edition, so there's no RGB in it. 288 pins. Don't touch the pins. You don't want to touch those. This has an aluminum heat spreader for faster heat dissipation and cooler operation, it says. And again, it supports overclocking, XMP 2.0 support for automatic overclocking. That's what the back looks like there. So I'm going to go ahead and install this in my motherboard so you can see what it looks like installed. So that's what the RAM looks like installed on my motherboard. Again, this is the Patriot Viper 4 Blackout Series DDR4 kit, 32 gigabytes, 2 sticks of 16 at 3200 megahertz.